Tonight, we're getting our very first look at new isolation chambers created to help fight COVID-19.
Fox 13's Aaron Cox has been following the project and shows you the finished product.
This is one of the new patient rooms designed to help nurses and patients fight COVID-19, specifically designed so that the disease never gets outside of these walls. You would never guess. These shipping containers.
What you see is a regular shipping connex going down the freeway. You're like, I wouldn't want to be in one of those.
Could become a $2.5 million portable hospital.
I'd come in here, I'd put on my clothing that I need.
There are 3 separate sections. One for nurses with abilities to take calls from the patients. A room for nurses to suit up before entering the patient's quarters.
And I come in here and treat the patients.
In a final room with 3 hospital beds, vinyl artwork that can be wiped down, and filters that can prevent the infectious disease from leaving the room.
Just takes all the air and cleans it before it goes back out into the parking lot.
In total, there are 4 connecting patient rooms, so the units could become the new home for 12 patients.
We could have Zika on one, West Nile on another, and a group with COVID, and another group with something else in that 4th one, and keep them isolated and separated.
Cliff Hokinson and his crew built the isolation boxes because the thought of losing someone to COVID-19 became their reality.
One of our workers, her mom went in for surgery that she had to have. She was recovering fine. At the recovery home, she contracted COVID-19, and 6 days later, she was dead. So it hits home.
Hokinson says they're building more because these shipping containers not only help, but bring them hope.
I cannot say anything besides inspiration.
These units will be sent to Florida, which takes about 4 days to get there and 1 day to set up. From the infectious disease mobile triage unit in Ogden, Aaron Cox, Fox 13 News, Utah.